What if there were 10 business growth habits, 10 things you could do today, right now, to grow your business? Would you do them? Well, I'm going to share those exact 10 business growth habits with you on this episode of the Do This, Sell More Show. Hi, it's Dave Lorenzo, and today we've got the 10 business growth habits, the quarantine edition. That's right, we are still under quarantine. I am cloistered away in my home, but I'm delivering for you in a huge way today. I've got the 10 business growth habits that are going to help you make a great living and live a great life. They're going to help you grow your business immediately. And if you listen to these business growth habits and you decide, I can't stand it, I want more, I want you to reach out to me and ask me about the special that I'm offering for all of you who are in quarantine right now. You want to grow your business while you're in quarantine? Work with me. That's right. Give me a call at 786-436-1986. That's my phone number, 786-436-1986. And ask to become a VIP member of my inner circle. You can save $400 during the quarantine period while becoming a member of my VIP inner circle. What do you get? You get 2 weekly webinars with me where you get to ask me direct questions and I help you grow your business. I teach you the business strategies I teach my clients all day, every day. I help you grow your business even during the most difficult economy you're ever going to face. That's right. You can make hay right now, even while the sun isn't shining. I'm going to help you do it. Reach out to me, save $400, become a VIP member for the ridiculously low price of $147 a month. This offer is not going to last. If you're listening to this show and the quarantine period's over, you miss out. Call me now, 786-436-1986. Don't wait. $147 a month. I mean, you spend that if you go to Starbucks every day when Starbucks is open and get coffee. Use that money to grow your business. The return on investment is going to be tenfold. All right, let's talk about the 10 business growth habits that will help you make more money and get home on time for dinner. Habit number 1, call a client. It seems so simple, but nobody does this. Every day, reach out, call a client, connect with him or her, thank them for working with you, ask how your client is doing, see how you can help them, see how you can add value or be of service to them. Do this with just one client every day. And when you run out of clients, call former clients. And when you run out of clients and former clients, call evangelists. You'll be amazed at what happens just from this one thing. But wait, I've got 9 more habits for you. Habit number 2, write a note, a handwritten note to somebody you want to reach out to get in contact with. You can do a thank you note to clients or evangelists. You can do a, hey, just reaching out to see how you're doing note to anyone. If you read about someone in the paper, write them a note to congratulate them on appearing in the paper. Handwritten notes are phenomenally powerful for reaching out to people and connecting with them. You will be amazed at what happens when you reach out to people and connect with them with a handwritten note. They will call you and they will thank you. And when they do, that conversation will lead to business. Habit number 3, interview an influencer. You can do a podcast like this, and you should start a podcast like this because you're in quarantine. You got nothing better to do. Reach out to people in your community, in your industry, or just people you want to get to know and offer to interview them. When you offer to interview them, they will either say yes or no. They'll be flattered either way. If they say yes, you've started a relationship. Reach out to 10 people every day. One of the 10 will say yes. You could literally do an interview almost every day of the week. These days, I'm doing an interview every single day. Some days I got 2 interviews and I edit them and I post them as a podcast. I post them as videos. I send them to the people I interview so they can use them in their marketing. It's increasing my exposure. Think of it this way. If I interview one new person every day for 30 days, I build my list by 30 people. Why not interview one new client every day? You'll grow, or one new prospective client every day. You will grow your list of prospects by 30 people every month, and those 30 people will be high quality prospects. Habit number 4, shoot a video. You've got a phone, shoot a video on it. Post that video on social media. It could be a how-to video, it could be a testimonial. It could just be a video giving tips on how to make more money or how to be more productive. Do yourself a favor. Share your great insight with the world. Shoot a video, post it on social media. Post an article. The way you write is the way you think. You must be thinking something of value. Write an article. Put it on your website. Email it to your contact list. Grow your database by sharing valuable information every day. Promote a friend. Write a testimonial for a friend or for a business that you frequent. Shoot that testimonial in a video and send it to them. Let them use it however they want. You know what? They'll do the same for you. Number 7, research a new prospective client. Who do you want to work with? Do your research. Go online, do the Google dance, and do your research. Figure out what issues they have. Help them solve those issues. Offer your insight to them. Doing research is a great investment of your time. Number 8, exercise. One of the real big comorbidities for coronavirus, for COVID-19, is obesity. Get off your fat booty and get outside and walk. You can walk outside as long as you do it by yourself and you stay 6 feet away from other people. Jump up and down in your home. Do an exercise video that you find on YouTube. Do some push-ups. Do a few sit-ups. Exercise gets the blood flowing. It also could save your life. Make a gratitude or accomplishment list. This is habit number 9. There's too much negativity. Stop watching the news. Make a list of things you're grateful for. Review that list every night before you go to bed. You'll feel better about yourself. You'll sleep better, and you'll thank me. Number 10, invest in personal development. I gave you an opportunity at the beginning of this show to connect with me for $147 a month. The return on investment will be over $10,000. At minimum, it's going to be 1,000 times return on your investment. If you do this, you will be investing in your personal development. Even if you only get one thing that makes you smile, you've invested $147 for literally 30 days of information. I update my community website where you'll be a VIP for a $400 discount, $147. You'll be a VIP and you can go there every day and get a new insight. I'll put a smile on your face at least once in 30 days, and that's well worth the $147. So investing in your personal development is another way. It's the 10th way you can grow your business and grow yourself. My name is Dave Lorenzo, and I'm here every day with great business strategy and productivity improvement information for you here on the podcast. Be sure and join us for our Inside BS interview series, where we interview people who are making a great living and living a great life right now. Until tomorrow, here's hoping you stay healthy and stay strong.